So I literally just got back from Bible study at the church a few minutes ago, and now I want to make dinner. So I'm making pizza, some French fries, and salad. Yeah. So this is the dough. I had already prepared it last night and put it in the fridge overnight. Welcome to Special Pillars. My name is Rhoda. So let's prepare the things we will use for this pizza. All the ingredients will be listed in the more section. Be all the glory, be all the honor. Now, why making this dinner? I was in high spirits. I got back from a very fruitful Bible study session. If you see me dancing, then by all means join me, because God is good. I am thankful and happy to be His child. I am thankful for Christian friendship. So that's why I'm dancing like all through this video. So do bear with me, or you can just join me. Now let's roll out the dough. I'm making 2 batches. Put the flattened dough in a baking tray or a pizza tray if you have one. I don't have a pizza tray. So spread out some tomato sauce on the flattened dough. Sprinkle some shredded cheese of your choice. I'm using mozzarella. Top with your bacons, sausages, peppers, more cheese. I'll put the pizza to bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. I will repeat the same for the next batch. This time I'm using my pie pad. Okay. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you don't mind. So after making the pizza, one is in the oven, the other is waiting for, to go in the oven. Let's prepare the salad. We're making loaded salad. I repeat, loaded. It is loaded, okay? So we have lettuce, we have cherry tomatoes, pineapples, avocado, cucumber. Sufficient. That praise you, and they fall in love with you. Hey. Fingers crossed. I hope it's good. I'm not so worried about this one actually. Waiter! I like eating this in. I don't know for you. I think the salad is the star of this dinner. For the salad dressing, we'll squeeze some fresh lemon juice and sift that into a bowl. Add some salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, two tablespoonfuls of pineapple juice. This is the juice that I collected from the pineapple I just sliced and put in the salad. I sprinkled black pepper over the salad itself. Add 2 teaspoons of maple syrup or honey. Two tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now mix everything together and set aside. It's time to make our French fries. I mean, French fries is just French fries, right? Peel your potatoes and slice them lengthwise. Soak in water for 10 to 20 minutes, just to get rid of the excess starch, and deep fry over high heat. The fat pizza is ready, by the way. It doesn't look all that beautiful, but trust me, it tastes very beautiful. And it was made with love. Okay, so while I fry the French fries, I will wash some of the utensils I used. Don't forget, we are trying to do our best this year to clean as we go. So that's what I'm going to do. I will also continue my dancing, because the joy of the Lord is my strength. Now let's use a pizza cutter to divide our pizza. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready, everyone. The other pizza is still in the oven, but I will go first and feed the hungry people. By the way, like I said before, that salad is the star, is the winner for this meal.
Yes, so my boss.
So after dinner, I got everyone in the family to join in my dance, and it turned into a family affair. Hello, God is good, you all. Happiness is free. Thanks for watching my video. I will see you next time by God's grace. God bless you and bye. Please do not forget to subscribe, tap the like button, share with your family and friends, and I will see you next time. Okay?
This way. Very. Very right.